Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how the App Designer works and how an app can be edited. The dashboard shows you an overview of all the apps you have created. Click on an app to open it for editing. You are now in the so-called App Designer. Here you have the opportunity to style your app, configure it and upload it to the App Store. On the left side you will see the main navigation, from which the sub-areas of the designer can be accessed. Under Details, you will find basic information about the app, such as the name, the description, and the app icon. All tools for adapting the app design are located in the Design area. In addition to the layout, such as tab bars or side menu, you can also configure the color of your app here. The app color can be changed under this tab or a ready-made design can be assigned. You manage the content of your app in the Pages menu. You can create and edit new pages and fill your app with life. You can choose from a number of different page types such as picture gallery, products, or contact information. Under Releases, you manage the versions of your app. Here you have the option to deliver your app as a web application, upload your app to the App Store, or manage the versions of your app. In the so-called Asset Manager, you manage all images and documents used in your app. You can either upload new pictures from your computer, or add photos from an image platform to your app with one click. To keep in touch with your customers or to inform them about new highlights, you can send them notifications directly to their smartphones. As the name suggests, basic configurations of your app are made under Settings. For example, you can store the terms of use for your customers here. To return to the dashboard, just click on the name of your app in the top left. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.